I am Zay, and on this segment of T2 Wine, we talk exclusively about motorcycles. We are in the beautiful France today, the sun is shining, the sky is blue, and we're making our way into Italy. One thing that we need to do throughout this trip to make sure our bikes continue to run in the best manner possible is to lube our chain, something we do every 2.5 tanks, depends a little bit on the rush we are in, but never more than 3 tanks apart. That gives us around 1,000 kilometers between lubes. What I will do on this episode is talk a little bit about the set we have to make sure that we can continue to do that, because it is a little bit troublesome sometimes on big trips to carry big cans of lube. Although this is not a paid endorsement, it is a sponsored one. Motorex sponsors us, and those are the oils we use. I like to use this little can because I can keep it either on my front bag, on my backpack, and what we did, I'm gonna ask Charlotte to accompany me in the back, is we put our big can right here in the back, and what we do is we use the little one, we press it against the big one. The little one is now full, and what I can do now that this is set is just give a little squeeze. Lube the chain from the inside as it needs to be done, because like that the pressure and the physics will force the oil all throughout the chain. If you put it on the outside, it's just gonna squeeze it out and not lube the inside of the chain, and that's it. That's how we're gonna keep our chains lubed from here all the way to the United States. So if you're not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing, hitting that big thumbs up. If you're new to this channel and you like what I do, please visit our Patreon. €1 a month, it's all it takes to make a huge difference in our expedition. And I'll see you guys next Saturday.